I'm fucking sneezing like mad again.
Alright guys, just going to be doing a FIFA pack opening because the new informs have just come out, like just not that long ago, so I'm just going to buy some packs, see if we can get anyone good. Premium gold jumbo, 240 max points. I bet you'll get fucking no one.
Or if you get the shittest thing for.
Yeah.
Someone's already got him.
I'm buying some.
He's up for $1 million. No, that's not him. It's not us. What date is it?
The 4th. Points have been added to.
Of July?
Yeah, 4th of July.
January, February, March, April, May, June. Oh no.
Why?
My bad. Because he's like, I think these are all like, I think all these have been released before.
Have they?
I'm not sure, because look.
No, because there's purple.
Look,
The purple.
I'm sure.
Some more purple.
Yeah. Oh, what a purple? Purple my match.
Yeah, I've even just got CASILLAS or Gala. I think it's Gala. Oh no, I got Team of the Year CASILLAS! Fucking yes! And I'm recording! Fucking get in!
Really?
Yeah! Oh! And I've got voice record on! Oh! 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 Get in! Yeah, I swear on my life, I'll upload it now.
What,
Oh, the purple one, 90. Oh my god, first pack.
What,
Oh,
50th, 9th?
yeah, I'm gonna, right, send to Storing Club.